Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of XRP Ripple coin. What's the price change goes in XRP Ripple coin, what's the high price of XRP Ripple coin, and what's the current condition, what's the current status of XRP Ripple coin in the market. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen friends, that is a live price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 week. The last 7-day price prediction you are watching now friends. If we look the average change occur in the XRP Ripple coin, so friends the average change occur in the XRP Ripple coin as 84.4% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about $1.16 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in this time. That is the last 1 week price prediction you are watching now friends. The last 7-day price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin as absolutely good. If we look the chart analysis of the XRP Ripple coin, so the chart tell us that continuously explosion time of the XRP Ripple coin starts now. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. After that we look the last 1 hour, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold XRP Ripple coin friends. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, it's loading. So please, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe my channel because I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news. And friends, I'm also announcing a giveaway, so please ready for a giveaway. I'm announced that 100 XRP Ripple coin giveaway, so ready for it and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. So friends, the average chance occur in the last 1 day as absolutely good chance occur. They will happy my heart. Absolutely I'm feeling very glad to see this chance. 15.24% chance occur in the XRP Ripple coin, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 day is $1.17 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin and the last 1 day friends. If we look the chart analysis, so as you can see here, very high explosion starts from the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's going, and the last 1 hour what's the high price of XRP Ripple coin and the last 1 hour phase. So as you know, the last 7-day price prediction and the last 1 day price prediction are in positive, but if we look the current condition of the XRP Ripple coin, so they take a small fall. As you can see here, the change is negative 0.58% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin and the last 1 hour. That's the last 1 hour price prediction. The current condition of XRP Ripple coin is in the fall friends. So don't worry about this falling. Soon their big explosion, they again take a high jump. As you know, as you see the last 7 day, the last 1 week 1 day price prediction very high, take a high explosion. So they are in the explosion mood. Don't afraid by this small falls, again they start a huge jumping. So what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? My opinion, my suggestion for all of XRP Ripple holders, so to please hold your XRP Ripple coin with the last of this month because the high explosion are coming soon, so wait for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.